Stop! These oatmeal mistakes are more harmful than you think. Oatmeal. It's the breakfast of champions, or so you thought. It's warm, comforting and seemingly healthy. You think you're so clever, starting your day with a warm bowl of goodness, but you're making a right mess of it. While oatmeal can be nutritious, there are some criminal mistakes that could be sabotaging your health goals. From hidden sugars to overlooked protein, these oatmeal atrocities are more common than you think. But fear not, because I'm here to expose these culinary crimes and guide you towards oatmeal perfection. Get ready to ditch those bad habits and transform your breakfast routine. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down the most common oatmeal mistakes and show you how to fix them. From choosing the right ingredients to perfecting your cooking techniques, we've got it all covered. Flavored instant oatmeal. Sounds convenient, right? Just the name makes me want to flip a table in frustration. Those little packets are packed with more sugar than a bakery, turning your breakfast into a dessert. They contain artificial flavors that would make even a seasoned chemist cringe in horror, and enough preservatives to mummify a donkey. It's like eating a science experiment. You're sacrificing your health for a few minutes of convenience, and it's just not worth it. Ditch those processed packets and switch to plain rolled oats. They are a much healthier option. It's time to take control of your breakfast and your health. Make the switch today and feel the difference. Adding mountains of sugar to your oatmeal is like adding salt to a wound. You're obliterating any health benefits those oats had to offer. Instead of drowning your oatmeal in sweetness, try enhancing its natural flavors with cinnamon, nutmeg, or vanilla extract. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Oatmeal, while a good source of carbohydrates and fiber, is sadly lacking in the protein department. This means it might not keep you full for long. You need protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied, and to maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Protein is also essential to fuel those muscles, especially if you're active. Don't leave the kitchen without adding a protein boost to your bowl. Nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt or protein powder can make all the difference. These additions can transform your oatmeal into a more balanced meal. Oatmeal is a decent source of fiber, but why settle for decent when you can have extraordinary? Boost that fiber content by adding chia seeds, flax seeds, or a handful of berries. Even the best things in life need to be enjoyed in moderation. Stick to a sensible serving size, about half a cup of dry oats, and you'll be doing your body a favor. Oatmeal is incredibly absorbent. If you're not careful, it can lead to unpleasant digestive issues like bloating and constipation. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially when you're having oatmeal for breakfast. Whole milk madness. Ditch the dairy overload. Using whole milk in your oatmeal every single day is a one-way ticket to calorie overload. Consider lighter options like water, almond milk, or skim milk for a healthier bowl of oatmeal. Your waistline will thank you. Eating the same bland bowl of oatmeal every single day is enough to send anyone running for the hills. Mix things up with different toppings like fresh fruit, crunchy nuts, warming spices, or a dollop of nut butter. Cooking oatmeal might seem simple, but even the simplest things can go wrong. Follow the instructions on the package, use the right amount of liquid, and cook for the right amount of time to achieve perfect, creamy oatmeal. Don't be fooled into thinking that all oats are created equal. Choose less processed varieties like steel-cut or rolled oats for better blood sugar control and a more satisfying breakfast. You've been schooled on the most common oatmeal mistakes and how to avoid them. Now go forth and conquer your breakfast bowls with confidence. Elevate your oatmeal game from amateur hour to culinary masterpiece.